Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be introducing you to a baby BFT, a blockchain project that combines artificial intelligence, play to earn, gaming, NFTs, and smart staking. This video is for educational and informational purpose only. It is not a financial advice. So always do your own research before investing in any investment decision. So without wasting your time, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to also you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So I will share with you about the baby BFT revolutionizing gaming and social media with AI. Join the next wave of play to earn. You can play and easily be able to earn NFT and AI driven interaction powered by baby BFT cryptocurrency. Their community, you can join the community and you can even buy it. I will share with you the link further on. You can see their current price is 0.000816 and the market cap is 815 million. You can see the contract address is given. You can see that what is baby BFT, the future of AI powered crypto experience. You can see it here. So baby BFT or BBFT is a decentralized token built on the Binance Smart Chain. The goal of this project is to create an AI powered crypto ecosystem where user can interact through gaming, NFT creation, social engagement, and staking, all within a single platform. So it gives a lot. You can see that AI integration, play to earn, staking rewards, and also the NFT ecosystem, all is given in the one roof. You can see AI integration, smart algorithm, power gaming, social interaction, and NFT generation. Play to earn, you can earn tokens while playing or their immersive games. They have the staking rewards too. You can earn passive income through their risk assessed staking system, and they have also the NFT ecosystem where you can create, trade, utilize, generate NFT across their platform. So furthermore, if I go here, so you can see they have given here their core features, where let's talk walk through the some of the key feature of the baby BFT ecosystem, where they have AI power gaming. So you can see it here. User can participate in play to earn games where gameplay adjusts using artificial intelligence for a more engaging experience. They have offer for earn tokens through gameplay and achievement, AI generated content for endless replayability. They have competitive tournaments with prize pools, cross platform capability. You can see it here. So furthermore, they have given here the next feature, which is their NFT studio, NFT tool. Generate NFT studio, you can see it here. The built-in tool lets users create and mint unique AI generated NFTs. These can be sold or traded in their marketplace. They have AI assisted NFT creation tools, and they have dynamic NFTs that evolve over time, royalty and a system for creators. They have also the cross-platform utility, which is given here. Furthermore, if I go for the next feature, which is given here, smart staking, the platform offers an intelligent staking mechanism that uses AI to help optimize potential rewards. You can see the multiple staking tiers, compounding rewards, insurance funds, and protection. Number 4 is the feature which is given is about the social platform, the AI social platform. Baby BFT is building a social media experience where user can earn tokens for creating and interacting with content. All of this will integrate with the metaverse element in the future development phases. So you can earn tokens for engagement, AI content recommendation, NFT profiles, customization, and metaverse. You can see furthermore, let's talk about their tokenomics, their token details. Now a quick review of BBFT token itself, the token distribution, total supply, which is given here 10 billion tokens, and current circulation supply around 3 billion, and you can see 30% of it. Their current price as July 2025 is 0.00074. Reserve fund is 38%, and business development is 13.5%. Staking reward is 18.5%. Their market cap it estimated around you can see 2.2 here. So you can see their staking rewards, also the other details which is given here. and so all the details about is given. So furthermore, I will just go and share with you about their other details, but you can see it here. Their all-time high is 0.00128, which was recorded on July 9, 2025. Please note that the prices and market caps can fluctuate, and these numbers may be changed by the time you watch this video. So furthermore, the Baby BFT team has shared a roadmap with the several upcoming milestones. So you can see the quarter 3 of 2025. At that time, you can see it here: alpha launch of their gaming platform, NFT Studio release and staking features, go live. You can see in quarter 4 of 2025 they will basically go for AI powered solution and enter beta along with the community. And you can see deeper in in 2026 they will go for social platform integration, advanced game AI, metaverse participation. You can see it here: deeper integration with the metaverse, virtual events, and AI personalization. These goals are ambitious and subject to the change based on development progress and market condition. Furthermore, you can see you can join their token and you can go and buy it. And I will share with you the other details that how you can buy it on the PancakeSwap. If you are thinking about getting involved, always do your own due diligence. And Baby BFT is still in development, and as with any crypto project, there is risk involved too. You can see it here. You can buy it with the BNB and the BBFT, and you can see it here the details. No project can guarantee returns, and prices can rise or fall quickly. So do your own research before investing in these. So other than that, they have the white paper given here, the Baby BFT. You can see the details about the Baby BFT and their goals. These goals are ambitious and subject to based on development progress and market condition. You can see their visions and missions details. And furthermore, they have the tokenomics, which I already shared with you in the video website details. And furthermore, I want to share with you their WhatsApp details. You can go and join them their channel on the WhatsApp. You can even go and join them on the Twitter. You can see their details about the Twitter is given, and their all the detail is given. They received and sell. You can be able to be a part of it, their community, so that you can must know more news about that. You can even go and join them on the Telegram, where they have 3,299 members at that time when the video is recorded. You can see, and they have also the Discord. You can join their Discord too. So all the details about that is given. I share with you. Thank you for watching. If you found this overview helpful, feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your thoughts in the comments. We will continue explore innovative blockchain project like this one. This video is not a financial or legal advice. Do your own research before investing in any kind of project. To learn more about BBFT and visit their official website, which is bbft.com and bbbft.com. So it is also given in my video description. Go and check it. Thank you.